Ayubowan. Today we are going to talk about a, a common well-known disease. It's not a spreading disease. It's basically everyone knows as the pressure, or otherwise we call it as the blood pressure. So what is blood pressure? Basically, it is the flow of the blood which is being increased for not according to the level that we expect. Sometimes it may go down, sometimes it may go high. So most of the time we encounter the patients with high blood pressure. It's very less to find low pressure people, but rather than the low pressure, we find high pressure people commonly due to cholesterol and diabetes. There may be certain drug issues, or sometimes maybe genetical issues. We find so many people with high blood pressure. So what are the remedies that we can give for the high blood pressure according to the traditional Sinhalese medicine? So everyone knows that there are certain vegetables, there are certain leaf plants that edible plants that we take is very good for the blood pressure. So everyone knows tebu, and there's another one, the passion fruit leaf. Both of these plants are very capable of reducing the blood pressure, high blood pressure. And everyone knows, in the traditional Sri Lankan people, they know that, and when the people get high blood pressure, they usually make sambal out of it and they consume it. And you get, normally you get the high blood pressure into normal stage, and you can monitor that as well without taking any other drugs. And what are the other plants that we can use for like high blood pressure? There's a plant called as mottu, or otherwise we call it as Kalukamberiya. You will be given the scientific name. It is commonly known as Kalukamberiya in Sinhalese. So the channel people will put you the plant name and the plant picture, so you will be able to identify that. So what is Kalukamberiya? Basically, this plant is a common berry which is growing all around the island wide. So basically, we consume this leaf as a vegetable. So when you consume this vegetable, it has this miracle property that reduce the blood pressure very quickly, and it is very known with the elder people, the traditional elder people. They know it is very good for the high blood pressure, and they normally make curry out of it, or make sambal out of it, and they give that to the high blood pressure people. And it is very good for your health as well, and it gives you a very good sleep as well, and it has the properties of reducing the high blood pressure. And there are so many other fruits are also available. One is the pomegranate. It is very good for your health, and it's very good for your heart as well. When you have the high blood pressure, most of the time your heart get retarded because of the high pounding rate. So what are the traditional treatments, remedies, home remedies that which we can give for the high blood pressure? One is very common known is the pomegranate and honey is one of the very best remedies that you can give. You take the pomegranate juice out of it and put some honey and some black cumin seed oil, or sometimes you can ground it and make it into powder, and mix these three ingredients together, and when you consume it, and the blood pressure goes to normal rate, and it helps you to keep your heart in a very healthy condition. And it reduces the cholesterol as well. So most of the time when you consume different drugs, such as when you consume drugs for the diabetes, and when you consume drugs for the pressure, you get different ailments from that drug as well, because the most of the drug contain different chemicals, and it increase the blood pressure level. Sometimes it dilate your heart as well, and sometimes it can create weak heart as well. So this remedy, the pomegranate and bee honey and the black cumin seed oil, one of the very best remedies that which recover the heart very quickly. And also you can consume uh, the Murunga leaf is one of the very best remedy as well. So if you can consume Murunga powder with some bee honey, with some pomegranate, it's also very good for your health as well. It increases the muscle power of the heart, and it gives you very good nourishment, and it will increase the strength of the heart muscles. And there are so many other home remedies as well, like cumin seed. And when you take some cumin seed, like full tablespoon of cumin seed, and you put it into a stove, and you just fry it until it's golden brown and make it into powder, and you make tea out of it with the hot water and put some little bit of sugar, and you can consume it. It's very tasty, and you can consume it, and it's very good for your health, and it reduce the blood pressure, as well as it reduce the velocity of the blood. It reduce sometimes, and it's very good for your stomach as well, for diarrhea and all that. And it has so many medicinal properties which gives you day-to-day life. You can use it, like when you have diarrhea, it's very good for you. And the basic quality of the cumin is it reduces the blood pressure level and the velocity, the density of the blood. It thins the blood, so it flows very easily. And most of the time, the traditional Sinhalese families, they grind this cumin seed and keep it normally in a dry place, and they use it daily wise, and it gives you, like, when you consume it for a period of time, and it reduces your cholesterol level and the blood pressure level. And there are so many other, like if you take traditional rice varieties, there are so many rice varieties found in Sri Lanka. The traditional varieties such as Kalumala and Behet tea and Kaluhina tea and Suendal, they are very good for your heart, and it reduces the pressure level as well, and the sugar level, and very good for the diabetic as well, same time. It gives you so much of nourishment, at the same time the medicinal property as well. So I invite you all to look into these traditional Sinhalese medicinal plants and go to these traditional rice varieties, and when you consume it, you can have a very healthy day-to-day life. Thank you.